Good day everyone! Today we will show you our Lagrange interpolation calculator, how it works, and its flowchart. So let's get started. First, here is our flowchart. Uh, this is the start, then we will it will go to the input and some operations which includes the computation. After this, the output which is the answer and certain conditions such as restart, reuse, and end. So moving on to our codes. We started with the title Lagrange interpolation. Then we have our while loop to be used in our conditions later, which are the restart, reuse, and end. Furthermore, in this part, we have our inputs. So x, which is the input for x, and y, input for the f of x. There should be equal elements for the calculator to work. Thus, we have the if-else statement in this part to know whether the user input equal elements or not. So here it is. After x and y, we will have another input. So math, which is the x to find f of x. And another input, order, to know the limit from 1 to 5. Next to this is the calculation of surrounding points. So this calculation is basically important in the computation of Lagrange interpolation, where the surrounding point is equal to the order plus 1. For the fourth part, which is the formula and computation, it contains the cases from 1 to 5 that calls for the value on the data. For case 1, it is the linear order. The first thing here is to get close values that surrounds the unknown value of x and f of x. So there are the max, the mean, and the second part or second process is the solution, which uses the formula of Lagrange interpolation. So here it is. The two processes in linear order were repeated until order 5. So the processes in case 1 is just the same with the processes in case 2. Like this. So we have the solutions also. Same goes until case 5. And for the last part, it is the while loop for the conditions. So if the program process is complete, the program will ask if the user will reuse the data, restart the program, or end the program. So here is the condition, are the conditions. So in this case, it is the restart, in here, reuse, and here, end. And that's it. Let's move on to how the program works. So let's run. Here we will input corresponding values of x. So we tried these values earlier. So let's try it also. Okay, so uh, the inputs satisfy the condition if else where it is true that the inputs are of equal elements. So inputting the desired unknown, let's try 16. And let's try first the first order. So this is the answer for the first order. Uh, in the conditions, let's reuse the data. Reuse. So same desired unknown 16 and moving on to the second order. And let's reuse also. So here is the answer for that. So reuse. Let's try 16 again. Then order 3. So basically this until the the fifth order, it will just be of the same process. So let's try restart now. So upon restarting, we will go to our input again. So we'll input the values. So let's input again the same values earlier. Okay, so let's change the desired unknown to 17 and order 1 again. So that's it. We have our answer. So it will all go the same in each case. So for now, let's end the program. And it will print thank you. So that's it. Thank you for watching our demonstration of our Lagrange interpolation. Thank you.